The next example I wrote, which is going from big data analysis to slide deck by accessing GCP tools from Gsuite. And so big data, I told you about BigQuery. It's a great tool, but at the end, when you're done with your query, you're downloading as CSV. Again, that is not really visual. You can stick it into a database, or you can have CSV, but not visual, right? So instead of doing that and stopping there, I will say that that is just 80% of all the work, like these stairs here. I could use them, but it's not visually appealing. Instead of CSV in a database, why don't we put it into a spreadsheet? More visual, right? And might as well tell it to make a chart. And then you might as well import the data and the chart and build a slide deck out of it, right? So, I mean, you're just kind of like doing the last 20% now. You've done the 80% hard work. If you got to tell your boss what you've done, you might as well make it a slide presentation. So this is an AppScript app. And so from AppScript, I call into BigQuery, and then the results come back in Google Sheets, and then I tell it to make a chart, and then I make a slide deck. I import the data and the chart, and what I've done is I've gone from big data all the way to exec-ready slide presentation, all in, if you actually look at the source code, it's less than 100 lines of JavaScript if you strip out all the comments. And then I have a code lab that you can build this line by line, and then there's also a video behind the